Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gibran Izatalana and my name 2024-63-0021. And now I will do my final test for Mr. Amir. Okay, now question number 1. Citizen the way of studying functional literary work, poetry, prose, and drama. So now we come to the poetry. Poetry is often studied through a close examination of form, structure, and literary devices such as metaphor, rhyme, rhythm, and symbolism. While these aspects are important, one criticism of studying poetry is that the focus can become too technical, often overshadowing the emotional and thematic depth of the poem. In some traditional approach, students may focus on dissecting a poem to the point where they lose sight of the poem's overall meaning and impact. For example, students might spend excessive time analyzing rhyme, scheme, or line break without reflecting on how the poem themes connect to their own emotion or contemporary issue. Another issue is that poetry is often studied through the lens of a single, authoritative interpretation which can save creativity and personal engagement with the work. This can limit students' ability to form their own connection with the form and may lead them to focus too much on what the teacher or critic believe the poem means. And now we come to the prose. Prose is often studied through its narrative structure, character development, and thematic content. It can be divided into genres such as novel, short stories, and essay, each offering its own unique qualities. A common criticism of studying prose is that the focus can be too much on plot summary or character analysis, which limits students' deeper engagement with the text. This approach sometimes leads the surface level understanding rather than encouraging students to reflect on the cultural, social or philosophical issues in the narrative. Moreover, prose can sometimes be studied with a heavy emphasis on historical context, which to neglect the emotional or human aspect of the work. For example, students might focus on the socio-political context of a novel without considering how its character struggle resonate with universal human experience. Prose can also be credited for its tend to simplify complex themes or moral lessons, which may lead students to miss out on the ambiguity and complexity that function of over. And last, we come to the drama. Drama is typically studied through its structure such as acts, scans, and dialogues, character, and the exploration of them through performance. One of the criticisms of studying drama is that it often focuses on the text in isolation, without enough emphasis on how drama comes to life in performance. This textual approach neglects importance of the actor interpretation, the director vision, and the role of the audience interested in shaping the meaning of the play. Another critique is that drama is sometimes studied with too much focus on its formal element, such as structure or language, and not enough on its broader emotional and social impact. This might lead students to view plays as intellectual exercise rather than as living, breathing works of art meant to evoke a response from the audience. In some cases, drama can be analyzed too heavily through the lens of the hither history, which may reduce its relevance to the contemporary issues and audience. And the question number 2. The importance of studying literature in education. So, studying literature in education is very, very important to us. Exactly, studying poetry is crucial because it helps students appreciate the nuance of language. Poems often pack deep meaning into just few lines, teaching students how to interpret conditioned language and uncover layered meaning. Poetry also allows for emotional engagement and self-reflection. And for prose, prose is important in education because it teaches narrative structure, character development, and the exploration of them such as identity, conflict, and morality. It allows students to understand and reflect on complex human experience through functional or non-functional narrative. And if drama, studying drama in education is essential for developing student understanding of dialogues, character interaction, and emotional dynamic. Drama presents human experience through dialogues, allowing students to explore relationship, conflict, and social rule in dynamic way. It also teaches students the importance of subtext, where that what is unsaid is as important as what is spoken. Through drama, students can learn to read body language, understanding tone, and appreciate how performance adds another layer of meaning to a text. So this is from me, my answer from Mr. Amir question for final test. And thank you very much. Allahu wafiq wa lakum Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.